How to fix lag in Roblox and increase FPS in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox and choose any server you want. For example, I choose this one. It's a Squid Game server. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here, click on Roblox, and then go to this settings option, and now make the shift lock switch off like this, and make the camera mode default, and then make the camera sensitivity on low mode like this, and then make the full screen off. And the last thing is the graphics quality, make it lower like this. Now click resume, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.